Hey guys, I'm Lee Hyde, Senior Beverage Expert at MONIN, and today we're going to showcase our wonderful MONIN fruit mix range. Now, this range is maybe a little bit misunderstood. Is it a puree? Isn't it a puree? It's a hybrid. It's somewhere between a puree and a syrup, so it has all that fresh food and texture of a puree, but it also has the sugar content added, so it's more like a two-in-one product. It means you don't have to add anything sweet alongside your puree. We've got up to, I think, more than 20 flavors in the range now, and they all use natural flavors, and there's only 2 out of the range that aren't vegan, which is the coconut and the yuzu. Really versatile product. We're going to show you 3 drinks today. We're going to start with a frappe made with the Tangerine, and it's going to be an orange chocolate frappe, and it's going to taste exactly like Jaffa cakes. Then we're going to showcase a blueberry iced matcha, which is all the trend this summer. And then we're going to finish off with a nice simple one. It's going to be the passion fruit lemonade. So really versatile product. We can use this across lots of different drinks applications, from lemonades to frappes to cocktails, even drizzling over your favorite desserts. And the good thing about this range as well is it doesn't need to be stored in the fridge. And once you've opened it up, it's got a 4-week shelf life. So it lasts a lot longer than a fresh fruit puree. Okay, so we're going to get started. Let's do the frappe. Okay, and there you have it. We showed a few different ways of using the fruit mix in a few different drinks applications. Take this lemonade, for instance, the passion fruit, one of the strongest flavors, but strawberry would be by far the most popular. You can use any of the flavors in the range for the lemonades. They work really, really well. But as I said, try it out with the cocktails. There's some amazing dessert and ice cream pairings with the fruit mixes. Some strawberry in iced chocolate, and even in iced latte is becoming quite trendy too. Coconut, if that's your flavor. There are so many options out there. And in fact, we've got a new one coming out in 2025. So stay tuned on the socials to find out what that one's going to be. And there you have it. Thanks a lot.